Welcome to Linux Help. Today we're gonna see how to install Pluck CMS on Oracle Linux 8.8. Pluck CMS is a simple and small PHP-based content management system CMS. Using Pluck, you can easily manage your own websites, bringing simplicity and easy of use, and it is a great choice for very small websites. Under the general public license GPL, Pluck is a complete open source. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next, I am going to install the LAMP stack components like Apache Web Server and MariaDB using the following command. After installing the both package, you will need to install PHP and another PHP extension to your system. Reset the default PHP 7.2 with the following command. Next, enable the PHP version 7.4 using the following command. After installing PHP 7.4 with another extension using the following command. Once all the packages are installed, start and enable Apache PHP FPM and MariaDB service by using the following commands. Next, I am going to download the Pluck CMS installation package from its official sites by using the following command. Next, I am going to long list the file by using the following command. Next, I am going to unzip the downloader package by using the following command. Next, I am going to move the directory to the Apache root directory by using the following command. Next, I am going to give ownership to Pluck by using the following command. Next, I'm going to give permission to Pluck by using the following command. Next, I'm going to create a configuration file and insert the virtual host by using the following command. And added those lines. Save and exit from the file. Next, I am going to disable the firewall and AC Linux by using the following command. Next, I am going to restart the Apache service by using the following command. Next, I am going to check the browser. Search that IP. This is the page of Pluck installation. Click to start installation. The Pluck installation is completed. Next, click proceed. Title demo. This is the process to install Pluck on Oracle Linux 8.8.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.